Welcome to Crafting with Poetry Science Canva edition. This whole week I decided to come here on YouTube and teach you and show you how these different graduation templates and frames can be useful to you and your business. Okay, today I'm going to show you how this this Canva frame brush strokes works. I decided this myself, and I decided so that you can customize it, you can edit it for your customers. I will show you how it works. It's not difficult. It's really easy, and you can use it in Canva and Canva Pro. And I you need to check the size of your sheet. In here, the size is 16" by 20" in here. Okay. I also have this in a bundle. If you are interested in a bundle, I will talk about the bundle later. But first, I'm going to show you how to customize this very fast. You can do it, I think, under 5 minutes. You can customize it. Okay, here I have okay, let me say this. When you have a file, when you come in Canva, always go to position to see the consistent, like the content of your files. This is the content of this whole file. It has layers. It has the first layer, this one here, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, always go to position and layers, and go to all, and you find them all here. So you can, if it's hard for you to select an image, to reach an image in here, you can reach it through here. Okay. First, let me say this. Never drag and drop an image that has a transparent background into a frame, because if you do that and you don't have a really a background, it won't come out right. I'm gonna show you how to do this in a little bit. Look, um I won't be able to reach the frame, like the brush stroke. I won't be able to reach it. You see, let me show you. Let's go to uploads. Let's say we want to drag and drop her. You see, it's hard for me. It doesn't want to go in it. I want to. You see where my arrow, my mouse is. It doesn't want to go into that one, into the back one. I will go back to position, because it is here and this one is here. It should be. They should be together. I will drag this one and I'll bring it over to here, so that the image can reach the this part really quickly. And then when I do this, you see it grabs it. Um, you can select it, like double click on it, and you can arrange your file if you want it to be like that, you see, so that our whole head can come on it. Okay, go back to position and drag this down so that it can be here, and then you can work on the other ones over here. The second one is the background is black. You can change it because it's a vector. You can change the colors. You can change it to however you want. Okay, you can change the colors all in here. You see that? You can change the colors. I don't know what I want, but I'm just gonna click and see. Maybe we can change it later again. Let's say we get this one. Okay. Okay, now we're going to work on the other ones. They are also drag and drop frames. Go to position again. Okay, I want senior. Okay, I can find senior here. In this part, I can drag and drop a glitter digital paper or whatever design you want to do. You can go in the elements and look for glitter background. I had it here. Glitter background, and go to see all. Let me see. Yeah. Glitter background. Let me go back. Search element. Glitter background. And here you have white glitter, rose gold, pink glitter. You see? Silver, whatever color you want. Let's see gold glitter. And then you have all these. Let's go to see all. You have all these gold, this goldy thing. Okay, this one is free. Let's see if we can use it. and you drag it over the senior, and then it will fill the word senior. Okay. Ooh, I don't have an idea. I'll put this back in. If you want, you can put another color. You hover over the 2004 and then put this in. Okay. But you can choose any color of your liking. And for the congratulations, for this I will choose another color. Let's say I'll choose green glitter. There are different kinds of green. You can choose which one you want. And I will hover over the graduations. Come on. And then you have it there. So you can change the colors. It is also here class of up there. Your mouse should be on, or if it doesn't want to go, you can zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Okay. No, you see what happened? Let's bring it up. Here is the class off, so we're gonna bring it right there. You see my mouse is on the class off and release it, and there it is. So you need to check what colors you want to add. The background, this background here, let me see if we can add a lighter color to it. Yeah, I think this one is better. So you just need to decide what color you're gonna add, what color you're going to use, and the background and everything. And then you're done. You see the class office here. Congratulations. Okay, let's say we are satisfied with this. I'm going to select all and group it, and I'm going to copy it. And in this bundle, you get how do you call it? You get mockups too. And I'm gonna paste it here and make it smaller. And you see, you can sublimate it on a shirt for your graduate. And then you have a graduate shirt. So easy. You don't have to do all kinds of things, jump over hoops and all that. This grad frame will help you to create these designs, to customize it for your graduate or for your customer very, very fast. It says here remove watermarks because I'm using something here that is not free in Canva. So this graduate frame that I showed you, it works amazing. It will work for you. You can get it on my website. It's in a bundle. Yeah, these ones here. Let me go in here, and they are different ones. This one is like 100% customizable. You can put your words. You can change your text. You can remove this. You can add something else here. You can add the name of the person also here, the school logo. You can change the color of this into the any color you want. Into any color you want. Okay. This is so amazing about these graduation brushstrokes. You can change the color and do whatever you want. Okay. Change the font also. You can change your fonts in here. If you want this font, you can change it. If you want another font, you can change it to oh, it's the same font. You can change it to when you see here is small letter, you can go here and make it all capital letter. Okay, because the yearbook font that I used, you can use it with both small and capital letter. So you can come in here and change it, change your font. Look whatever fits you, whatever you like. So it's 100%. I love this font too. It's 100% editable. You can change the you did it to another text, and the font is Miss Truly. You can change the colors. Let's say we will change the colors to that, and the outline you change it in here. The outline you want the outline to be, let's say not red. Let's go here. You want it to be blue. You see that? You want it to be dark blue. You can come and change it all that. You can change the text too. I can put here, I love the word amazing. You can come in here and put amazing or something you guys talk say at home, like a word you guys love to say. You can put it here. And a picture of the graduate. Let's see if we can drag a picture in there. Uploads. And here you want to use a picture with a transparent background. You want to use an image with a transparent background. Let's see, one of these girlies. Let's say we want to use her. And here you can use an image with a background. Okay, you can send it to the back. Okay, we're gonna send it to the back like so, like here. Okay, Genial, you can drag this up a little bit. Look, if you're using a color in here, let's say we don't want red. Let's say we're gonna use like dark purple. This is not dark purple, but like something like this. You can go in the elements. Okay, go in elements here and look for purple blur. Purple blur, and you see here you can see the blur. Go to all, and you can find different purple blurs in here. If you're using Canva Pro, you can get the ones with the crown on them. If you're using the free version, you will have to um like scroll until you find a free blur. You can also create your own blur in Inkscape. Okay, let's say we would use let's say a rectangle blur. Let's say we would use this one. Let me see. No, it's too light. Okay, we can use this one. That means we're gonna change this one here, right here. Onto this. Yep, you see that? You can use this blur. Make it run it up like this. You can cover the line. You see the line there, like the straight line of under the lady. You can cover it and go to position, and then we will drag the blur to here. So it will be between the lady and the word senior. Okay, to cover that whole place over there, to cover it. Maybe you can drag this a little bit down here to cover it all. To cover it, if it's too thin, you duplicate it so that it can be here and cover it. And then you can, let's change these colors. Let's say we want them like a darker purple or maybe yellow. It's up to you, but I'm just showing you the technicalities. And here you put your logo, your school mascot. I have a yeah, tiger. I'm just gonna add it here, make it smaller, and add it here. Okay, so you put your school mascot here, somewhere here, and the name of your school. Let's say okay, and then you make it smaller, make your text smaller so that it doesn't pump out like that. Okay, bring your mascot up here. Okay, you have it like this. Congratulations, class of. You change the class of to. Change it to the dark purple that we had. And the background to the effect, the background to the yellow. Okay, change everything up. You can write her name here too. Instead of amazing, you can write her name here. Let's say her name is I love to use the name Abby Jones. Abby Jones. Abby Jones, you can change the text, the font. Let's say we don't want that font. Let's see if we can use this. Grade 5s. Yes, I love this font. Grade 5s. And then we can change the color of this. Find a nicer color. Let's say you double click until it's all selected, and then you can change your colors. Let's say you want this pink. Okay, let's change the effect. Let's go back to effects, and then you can this one right here, this effect. Oh, I love this one. You see that? You can change it and use this. And then you put your color, like let your colors or be cohesive and coordinating, like they fit together. You know what I mean? And you can also go in here and go to elements again. And you can look for splash. Splash. I say splash. This one right here. It's black here, but you can make it white. You can make it yellow. You can make it whatever color you want. Okay, you can put one here and put another one like maybe in the back here, and then you can go back to your position and then drag it down, and you can color your splash whatever color you want to. It should be between these two, whatever color you want to. Okay, if you can reach it because of all the other things here, reach it through here, and then you change the color. If you want to make it pink, you see that it becomes pink. If you want to make it like light purple, you go in here, okay, here, and then we go in here, and then we're gonna look for the lightest purple. Find it in here, like light purple. You see that, like pinkish purple. So you look for the color in here, you will find, and when you can reach it, like I said, come back to position, and you find it in there. And all these files are available for you to download. You can get them from my website, and you can use them and you can resell them. Okay, you can design it like this, add more stuff. If you're using gold, like you need some gold in here, you add here gold, and look for gold things that you can add. Okay, always send it to the back. Send your stuff to the back. So look for cohesive colors. Like if you want to add like these things to it. Oh, come on, where are you? You see, I can't find the, okay. And you can rotate it if you want to get it in things like so. You can, like I said, you can add so many things to it and check it out if you like it like that. Design with it, it will work. Like I said, I have the bundle available for you, the grad bundle. It has these 9 different graduation fans, and it has this one here too. I have classes of it here on TikTok, and this one, this is another kind of brush stroke than the one I'm showing, but this one is already done for you. Only change the words, and you have this one that we just did. Okay, and you have graduation stoles in it. You have varsity numbers and grad frame forms. You have this one too here, different chip bag templates, mask mockup, keychain mockup. I have another keychain mockup that I need to add here. Sock mockup, garden flag mockup, and this one, this is popular. It never stopped being popular. Proud mom, proud dad mockup. Actually, it's the templates. Pillow mockup, and I have college fonts for you in here. Okay, and all the mockups in here, and then the images will be under here. You will find them. Girls, boys, women, and like ladies and gentlemen, graduates that are available to you to use for your business here on here to use for your business if it's on Etsy, or sorry, to use for your business, and also to resell. Grab this, open an Etsy shop and sell these as digital products. You will make your money back in an instantly. I can tell you that you'll make it back and more. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget I will leave the link below. And if you have any questions about these, please let me know. And you don't have to be afraid to buy these and sell these, because like 99% of these I designed them all myself. Okay, I designed them all myself. This was online. I turned it into a Canva frame, but the rest I have designed with my bare hands. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being a part of this community. And have a great day.